So question 17 is a distance time graph. Distance up on the y-axis, time on the x-axis. Find an estimate of the gradient of the graph at 2.5 seconds. So what we've got to do is offer up a tangent to the time 2.5 seconds to the curve and measure its gradient. Let's have a go at it. Okay, 2.5 seconds will be here on the graph. And if we offer up a tangent to that point, we'll get a line roughly looking like that. Now we've got to find two convenient points that we can work out the change in y divided by the change in x, because that is the definition of the gradient, the rise over the run. So that could be my first point, and my second point could be this point here. At least the base dimensions are easy. So this is the rise, and this is the run. And this is equal to 48 minus 12, which is equal to 36. And the run is equal to 4 minus 2. So therefore, gradient is equal to 36 divided by 2, which is equal to 18. Now remember, that's an estimate. And looking up in the mark scheme, they would have accepted 16.5 up to 19.5. And there is the answer. And part B, what does the gradient of a distance time graph represent? Well, it represents the speed or the velocity. So the answer is the speed. And that's the answer to part B.